Okay, so, what's this?
Aventador.
Aventador.
What's this?
And
what is it?
What is it?
NSX.
What's up guys, Dr. M3 here. We're at an amazing car show. I've done this now a few years. It's called Rally for the Ranch, benefiting the Buckeye Ranch here in Ohio. And if you've never been to this event, you just have to come. It is in the setting of a mall. We've taken over the entire streets in this mall for this charity event. So let me show you some of the crazy cars and some of the unusual cars that come to this event. So guys, we're still here at Rally for the Ranch. You can hear some of the cars. It's been amazing. We've walked around. You've seen some of the cars that are here, and this is an awesome event. I personally like to thank Paul, my buddy Paul Milligan, who's the organizer of Columbus Cars and Coffee. This is a great event every year. We met so many fans here as well. It's been fun. So there's more to today. Lots more to today. Check it out. Look at that. Look at this Cobra. 2 Cobras. 3 Cobras.
What's going on, guys? Dr. M3 right here. We're here at Rally for the Ranch.
This is a short range lens, you know, so we may be completely out of focus. No, you means you gotta have
you gotta get your arm up there, buddy. Come on, we got Dr. M3 right here. We are at Rally for the Ranch. It's a great day.
Are you really recording? I hope you're recording.
Yeah, he is recording. Hey, absolutely.
What's up? You okay? Is probably the youngest car guru. He's with his dad. What's your name, Dad?
Adam.
Adam. So Aiden's going to point out a couple of cars for us. So Dad's going to ask him the question, and we're going to see what Aiden says.
Okay, so, what's this?
Aventador.
Aventador.
What's this?
And
what is it?
What is it?
NSX.
NSX.
What's this one? Over there.
A Camaro.
What is it?
Camaro.
A Camaro.
What's that one? Audi.
Yeah, it's an Audi. You're amazing, man. All right, high five, high five. Yeah, there you go.
Tell them to smash that subscribe button.
That's awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. in here.
That's